Welcome to Retirement Ramblings. I'm Scott, and today is day 330 in my countdown to retirement. Well, today was a pretty uneventful day. Um, I had a lot of activities going on at work and pretty much had meetings all day, so wasn't really able to do much towards working towards my retirement. That being said, last night I got caught up on my financial uh, kind of news items. I saw that Alphabet, uh, Google, um, was down substantially in after hours trading, and people were claiming that that they missed their numbers extensively. And in all the stuff that I read about the reports, it seemed to me that it was a pretty darn good quarter, and that people were just concerned about the fact that Alphabet was going to spend a considerable amount of money on capex, about twice as much as the street was expecting, uh, in to build out AI infrastructure and data centers and functions to help grow their business, further in the future. And if you look at any company that had to do significant R&D investments, um, in an area that you have a high degree of confidence is going to pay off, and that didn't do it, they almost always fell behind. So for me, the investment that Alphabet's making is one that I think will pay off in the long run. And so um, basically, first thing this morning before the market opened, I did a calculation of what I thought the drop would be in the market at the open, and I submitted an offer, bid at that particular price, which was substantially below where the market was sitting at the time. And then I just put a good till cancel order in at that price for the day, figuring if it executes, it executes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I did that, and I also put in a sell order on some Marathon Petroleum to lighten up position there, because I do question, um, with some of the Trump policies that he's stated, specifically with regard to our international policies, whether that's you know taking over the Gaza Strip or other things. They're going to uh, create an issue with the flow of oil, meaning production of oil outside the U.S. could go up. If he really is successful also in stopping the war in Ukraine with Russia, and then Russian oil comes back on the market, again, production levels are going to go up way beyond where they are now. That will give Trump what he wants, which is lower oil prices, and that will definitely hurt, the oil patch in the U.S. from the perspective of, you know, cheaper oil means they make less money, right? Which then means less returns to shareholders, et cetera, et cetera. So I wanted to at least lighten up on some of the energy items that I have. The sell orders for that did not execute. The buy order on Google did execute. So, one half of the equation worked out. I'll continue to try to lighten up um, on the oil patch items that I have in the next couple of days. And hopefully I'm not misreading kind of the situation, because, day by day, the policies seem to change, and the sound bites seem to move markets in a different way. But just looking at it from a straight macro point of view, if certain things continue to happen 30 days from now or so, you know, it's good for the prices at the pump. So no arguments there. Not good from an investment perspective, at least in my point of view. So anyway, happy to see how I can work those things out. Really didn't have anything else that I could spend time on today with regard to retirement. So that's my update for the day. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, or you can drop me an email at myretirementramblings@gmail.com. And then I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Have a great evening. Take care.